Okay, finally, my rock auto order. I guess I should say hello. Hello! Finally, my rock auto order has come in. I got like PCV valve, PCV grommet, what else? O-ring seals, and this O-ring seals, water pump O-ring seals, so I can finally change out the water pump and then install the whole timing kit. Oh, I guess also the front main. So today I'm going to do the water pump, I'm going to do the front main seal, and I'm going to do the timing belt and tensioner. And alright, yeah, that's it. So we'll get to that. I'm not going to show how to take any bolts off, just because everybody knows how to take bolts off. Okay. Let's take off the water pump pulley. We'll take off the water neck, which I'm going to chop up and modify. Oh, gross. This has never been out. Here. Ah. Alright. And we'll take off the timing belt tensioner. Oh, good goodness. And then we'll pull off the water pump. Something smells really bad. It's probably gross. There's that old unit. And gotta give that a little bit of a wipe down. Oh, that went the wrong way. Hopefully that doesn't eat my paint. Clean all the crud out of there. And replace the O-ring. Alright, pulling the crank pulley off was a huge pain in the ass. And now I'm doing the front main seal, and I don't have the proper tool for it, so I'm doing it the hack way. Tapping it in a little bit at a time, and dry. A good friend of mine, who is like the aristo god of Calgary, Val, he told me that you pound these in dry, and they have a lot less chance of coming out by themselves. Apparently, if these things build up too much crankcase pressure, the front main will pop out. So keep up on your crankcase ventilation. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice fresh Timken seal. Come on, there we go. Alright, next I gotta put the O-ring in here and put the new water pump on, and then I can put the timing set on. Also, I had to do a little bit of a mod right here because somebody stripped out the oil pump where the timing tensioner bolts in. So I just drilled out the hole and then notched a bolt and put it through from the back side, and it doesn't interfere with the timing idler. Okay, so I'll put the crank sprocket back on. Taps. Come on. All right. Take these out. Thank you, Brian. Put this little piece in. I think it's like hold the sprocket in place. Just kind of sits right there. Then I gotta put this unit back on. I guess I probably should have a whole crap load of filler in here. Okay. So I'll put a little bit of oil on this O-ring. And just lube it up. And then it slides right in there. Make sure it doesn't fall out, otherwise you're gonna have a hell of a mess when you fire it up the first time. There's gonna be coolant everywhere, and then you gotta take everything all back apart. Grab all your bolts. I don't particularly remember which order they came in, and I don't really think it matters, but I could be very wrong. I'll go with a little one here and a little one here. Maybe. Whatever. Okay. Slide this sucker on. O-ring is still in the right spot. Then I go with all. Alright, and then you throw on your new timing belt tensioner pulley. Goes like so. Oh yeah, that way. I'm just gonna cut that out. And then don't forget to torque it to 20 foot-pounds. And then you stick on the timing tensioner adjuster arm. Oh yeah, I'm not sure what it's called. Make sure you do not pull this pin until your timing belt is on and you're sure it's good. There's that. Alright, tensioner is on, tensioner pulley is on, the crank is pretty well lined up. I'll get that bang on right now. And, a little less. Right there. And the cam is lined up, and this one is lined up. Then I got the, let me turn this camera around, Gates blue belt. You can get them right on Rock Auto. I don't know, I've always used Gates, my Subarus and everything. Never had a problem. So, I don't think there's any markings on this one. Just slide that on. Right there. Now I never put one of these on. Okay, that was a little bit of a pain. It's just super tight. So what you gotta make sure is, where I got that yellow paint, this top dead center, that lines up with that, lines up with that. So everything is in line. The belt looks like it's on relatively straight. Maybe push it on a little bit further. And then you pull this little pin right here. So I'll do that in a minute. Okay, I'm double sure of everything. So I'll pull that tensioner right now. Alright, everything's tight. That's that for the timing belt. Now I'll just put a few more things on and I will call it a night, I think. I guess I should crank it over by hand just to double check everything works properly and it's lined up after 2 full rotations. Well, it's got compression. Goodness. There's one rotation. And that last little bit. And it's still lined up. I did it right. I'm not going to put the water neck on tonight because I have to take that over to Roberts and cut it up and weld it so it points straight forward for the 8.6. And I'll put this pulley on and yeah, that's that. Thank you.